Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given and end the script with that being said. Thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The current interest rate on the Starling Bank 1-year fixed saver is 3.7% AEI and gross interest. When you lock your money away in this account, the interest rate remains fixed for the entire 12-month term. To open a 1-year fixed saver with Starling Bank, you need to meet a few basic requirements. You must be a UK resident aged 18 or over, and you need to hold a Starling personal current account or joint account. The account requires a minimum initial deposit of £2,000, and you can deposit up to a maximum of £1 million across your fixed savers. Keep in mind that this is a locked product, meaning you cannot withdraw your money or make additional deposits until the 1-year term comes to an end. Interest is calculated daily and paid out on maturity at the end of the term. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.